The President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, commonly referred to as PEPFAR, is a bipartisan program championed by former President George Bush that has saved over 25 million lives since its creation in 2003. Last year alone, PEPFAR provided life-saving HIV medicines to over 20 million people, including members of the LGBTQ community, and supporting nearly 350,000 healthcare professionals in over 50 countries working to prevent and treat HIV. The Trump administration has worked hard behind the scenes to undermine this wildly successful and overwhelmingly bipartisan program. First, Trump and Elon Musk dismantled USAID, the agency primarily responsible for implementing PEPFAR. Then, despite numerous assurances to Congress, Secretary Rubio proceeded to suspend PEPFAR's funding. Now the language in this bill will put the final nail in the coffin. What will the world look like without PEPFAR? It will look like the people living with HIV skipping and rationing doses of their medicine. It will look like a mother passing HIV to her infant children, and it will look like the resurgence of HIV and AIDS and the entirely preventable deaths of thousands, if not millions, of the world's most vulnerable people. We know this because we can already see the signs. Around the world, healthcare providers, nonprofits, international aid workers are sounding the alarm. They have and said that life-saving programs are being terminated. Of course, it is impossible to know the full extent of these cuts as Trump administration has not provided data on PEPFAR for months. The PEPFAR website says it is ongoing updates. Throughout PEPFAR's 22-year history, it has received overwhelming bipartisan support. In fact, one of the program's biggest advocates was Senator Marco Rubio. On World AIDS Day in 2017, then Senator Rubio said every American should be proud of this progress and the millions of lives that have been saved by PEPFAR. During the first Trump administration, then Senator Rubio said he was proud that the Senate Appropriations Committee fought to maintain funding for PEPFAR and other related programs despite the administration's proposal to reduce it, a proposal that would have negative impacts across the globe. Then Senator Rubio also said in 2018 and onward that the President and Congress should continue to make PEPFAR a priority.